In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the cinema lens effect in CapCut. We're going to take a plain clip and give it a polished cinematic look using a built-in effect. This is perfect when you want your footage to feel more cohesive and professional without a lot of manual color work. Start by opening CapCut. On the main screen, tap New Project. Creating a new project gives you a clean timeline to work in and keeps all the edits for this video organized in one place. Next, import your video. Select the clip you want to edit from your device, then drag it into the timeline. The timeline is where you'll see the clip laid out from start to finish, which makes it easy to control what appears on screen and when. If you have multiple clips stitched together, they'll appear back to back along the same track. Now let's add the look. Go to Effects. Along the bottom of the screen, you'll notice two tabs, Video Effect and Body Effect. Choose Video Effect. Video effects apply to the overall image, which is what we want for a cinematic style. Body effects are designed to track and enhance people specifically, so they're not the right fit here. Inside Video Effect, open the Lens category. This section contains effects that mimic real camera lenses and optical styles. If you don't see it immediately, just scroll through the categories until Lens appears. Within Lens, find the Cinema effect. This effect adds a subtle film-inspired treatment that helps colors and contrast feel more movie-like. When you see Cinema, tap the plus icon to add it to your timeline. You'll notice a colored effect bar appearing above your clip, which shows exactly where the effect is active. To make sure your entire video has the same look from beginning to end, stretch the effect. Grab the ends of the Cinema effect bar and drag them so it covers the full duration of your clip. If your video is more than one clip long, drag the effect until it spans all of them. This ensures a consistent style across every moment with no sudden changes partway through. Take a quick look at the preview. As the playhead moves across your timeline, the cinema effect should remain visible the whole way. If playback seems a bit choppy, that's normal on some devices when effects are applied. The final result will look smooth once rendered, and that's it. You've created a new project, imported your footage, added the cinema effect from the Lens category, and extended it to cover the entire video for a unified cinematic finish.